issue. He said that it was a burning issue and that the government should clarify. Meanwhile, Mulayam Singh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party said that Parliament was supreme and he wanted to know on what basis the Supreme Court had given this judgment. Reservations were a constitutional right and were not arms given to some people. Congress also expressed his concern. He said that he had met the law minister when the AIIMS issue was to come up in Supreme Court and that he had cautioned him over the same. The government had maintained that it will go for a review petition, and if that did not lead to a revocation of this decision, they will bring in a constitutional amendment. That the Supreme Court had given its verdict on an issue which was not before it. Basudev Acharya of the CPIM also expressed his concern on the issue. He said that a month had passed and that the government had not taken any steps. CPIM leader Basudev Acharya speaking in Lok Sabha this morning on the reservation in AIIMS issue. Moving on, let's now listen in to Bhartrihari Mehtab of the BJD. Gulshan of the Shiromani Akali Dal, she expressed her concern on this issue and described it as a sensitive matter. The bill said that the government will file a review petition in Supreme Court on Monday seeking a revocation of its order against reservation in AIIMS for higher faculty. Affairs Minister Kamal Nath assured the House that the government will consider bringing a constitutional amendment in this regard in this session. Uday Singh of the BJP raised the issue of the glaring flaws in the working of the midday meal scheme. He described it as an ambitious scheme, but he said that even after almost 2 decades of the functioning of this scheme, there were many irregularities in its functioning. BJP leader Jaswant Singh spoke on the Gorkhaland issue. He said that the centre should help arrive at an amicable settlement of the Gorkhaland issue and also suggested talks between all parties concerned. Generated heat in Lok Sabha with Trinamool Congress members accusing him of attempting to divide West Bengal, following which the House had to be adjourned. When the House reconvened, leader of the opposition Sushma Swaraj spoke on this issue. Let's now listen in to Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee's response. Lok Sabha today adopted unanimously a resolution condemning the Pakistan Army for indulging in the attack at the line of control and asked the Pakistan government to abide by the ceasefire agreement of 2003.
Honourable members.
Following the 19th of August. Well, this brings us to the end of this edition of House Highlights. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.